Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to slightly blur your background in Google Meet. So for you to blur your background in Google Meet, here is how you can get it done. Make sure you're connected to call in Google Meet before you can use these features in Google Meet. You can see right now I'm trying to try a call. Just see meeting. So I'm trying to host the call right now. So if you click process, your meeting is ready. As you all know, we can add other to Google Meeting by simply sending them an invite through the mails, or just copy the link, send it to them, and join your call. So now let's head over to how you can slightly blur your background in Google Meet. In my previous video, you can check one of my videos on the platform. Teach you guys how to add your home background in Google Meet. So this is the background we added in the last video. So right now I'm going to show you how you can slightly blur your background a little bit. So for you to do that, you click on the apply and visual effect. Click on it, and you click on it right here. You can blur your background. And this is the option where you can slightly blur your background. See, so click on it, which will automatically generate the background and make this blur a little, and that's it. That's how blur background in. If I need you full, like and follow more. Thank you.